welcome home. This is our 2-bedroom, 2-bath Amethyst floor plan. Look at this beautiful, spacious apartment that you will be moving into. We have granite countertops. This is our island. As you can see, you have plenty of room here. Our flooring is the hardwood floor. We have stainless steel appliances. We have ice makers that are included as well. We have your soft cool cabinetry. Watch this. Do you hear anything? No, it's soft cool. We have your microwave, your stainless steel stove and oven. How beautiful that is. Now let's go into, our fixtures. Look at our lighting. How bright is that? I think I can do my makeup in here. So we're going to go into the master bedroom. As you can see, the master bedrooms and the bedrooms have carpeting and ceiling fans. And this one has not one, but 2 walk-in closets. So you have one through here. Plenty of hanging closet space. And then if you have a his and hers, this would be his. Just enough for maybe his clothes. Let's walk into our... So here we are in the master bathroom, and you have the ceramic flooring. Again, we have the matching granite countertops, still with the soft, cool cabinetry. Bam! Did you hear anything? We also have our walk-in shower. Beautiful size glass shower. We have the 9.5-foot ceilings, and that's throughout all our apartment floor plan. Let's walk in here. I'm going to save the best for last, and that would be the view. So let's go into the second bedroom. Here we have your linen closet. Plenty of space. And here would be your guest bedroom, or your second bedroom as we would call it. Again, you have the beautiful ceiling fan, and then you have the carpeting. Still, you have a nice walk-in closet. Plenty of room to put all your clothes, and you can use it as storage. We're going to go into the guest bathroom. So here is your guest bathroom with the garden-style tub. And now, the resistance is this beautiful view. This is what we call Florida living. Look at this gorgeous view. Who would not want to live here? Come on back in. There you go. Welcome home.